Hi everyone! So today we'll be making a super easy, quick, and of course a delicious tomato cheese dip that is my absolute favorite at parties. So to make this, you need 300 grams of cherry tomatoes which are cut into half, 3 big garlic cloves which are minced, 3 to 4 fresh basil leaves, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 150 grams of Bouchon cheese. It's a French cheese and my favorite on this recipe. You can actually use any kind of cheese that you like. Salt and black pepper to taste. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while the oven heats, take a baking dish and add the tomatoes. Add the basil leaves, spread them. Add the garlic, spread it too. Take the oil and spread it. Balsamic vinegar. Give this a good mix. Add some salt to taste. You don't want too much salt as the cheese does have some salt itself. And some crushed black pepper. Mix this. And now we'll transfer it into the oven and bake it for 40 minutes. The tomatoes have been baking for about 40 minutes. That's how they look. And next, I'll add some cheese and we'll bake this again for 10 minutes. Make some space in the middle of the baking dish and I will place the cheese right in this end. Now we'll bake this for another 10 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So after 10 minutes in the oven, this is how it looks. You can see the cheese is melted, and at this time, just spread it slightly around. You don't want to mix it too hard, you just want to let it blend in. Garnish with some pine nuts if you like, and some basil leaves.